Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBit Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing, Wednesday today. Today is the FOMC minutes report. I do want to let you guys know that I will be going live at 2 p.m. Eastern time or at 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, which is literally the same time. It's just a different time zone. So I'm going to be going live about 5 to 10 minutes prior. So what exactly is the FOMC minutes report? Let me go ahead and start sharing my screen so you can see exactly what it is that I'm looking at. TQQQ is a trade that I entered today. You might be surprised because I've been shorting the NASDAQ market, but right now I see a lot of consolidation happening for most of NASDAQ right above our previous resistance range, which is now acting as a new support range. Am I convinced that it has to find a support? No, definitely not. I took a trade during our live trading session with the LPP team. Actually, I had to cut losses on it originally, and I just went in for a re-entry as we began to indicate signs of reversal, and now we're very oversold. So even if I end up locking in profits right around the moving average, again, I'd be very excited just to be in the green nonetheless. But one thing that I do want to remind you is the FOMC minutes report is today, and it will most likely affect the market. It doesn't matter how it's trading before. Market could be bullish. It could be released and then the market can be bearish. I do not want to hear any excuses of, oh no, the market's rigged. Oh no, why does direction have to change? You're all made aware of it in advance, right? So now you either do something about it or you hope for the best, right? What I'm choosing to do is I will not have an open position leading up to the report. It's too risky for me with the dollar amount that I trade with. And I've made that mistake too many times. So I'm just sharing from my experience. My plan is to not have an open position. I'm going to be trading during, right, up until 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time or 2 p.m. Eastern Time. But then after, as we get around 30 minutes close to the actual FOMC minutes report, I'm going to close out my position because of, let me go ahead and pull this up, the FOMC minutes report. So all this literally means is that the Federal Reserve is going to be releasing a report on pretty much a summary on how they came up with the decision of raising interest rates by 0.25%. There will be some just a little bit of a better understanding of the different votes of if it was like, a majority of the people in the Federal Reserve that came up with that conclusion. There shouldn't be any guidance for up and coming interest rate hikes. That's going to be later down the road, especially with the next interest rate hike not being until mid-March. But as of right now, again, I just want to make sure that you guys are all aware that we will be going live. We will be capturing the market's reaction. And even if you don't tune on into our live stream, I just want you to be aware of it so you don't end up having to bag hold something that you don't need to, right? That's the most simple way to put it. I have no expectation of, I expect it to be bullish. I expect it to be bearish. I do not care which way it goes. If I'm cash, meaning that if I do not have an open position and the market reacts in a bullish or negative way, I will just go with the direction that the market chooses to go. I have no opinion about this. I'm not going to be like any of those Reddit trolls or the people that you see in the comment sections where they complain about always being on the wrong side or markets rigged. It's, if you allow direction to present itself, you keep your trading simple. That's it. Right? There's no reason to overcomplicate it. So I wanted you guys to be aware I will be going live at 2 p.m. Eastern Time, 5 to 10 minutes before that. I ask you for just literally two things: get this video to over 1,500 likes, and also make sure that you guys subscribe to the channel so YouTube notifies you when it is that I go live. And that's really just it. I'll see you guys at around 11:50 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, or around 1:50 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I appreciate your time. I'll see you guys there. Don't overcomplicate your trading leading up to that. Market's most likely going to be pretty choppy. So if you want to save your day trades, if you're under that PDT rule, then maybe it's not a bad time to save them. So I appreciate your time. Hope that earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.